Salut mes chers amis! Today we are learning and conjugating the ultimate Halloween verb in French. Se déguiser. Se déguiser, which means to dress up. Let's start with the conjugation in present tense. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Je me déguise. Tu te déguise. Il se déguise. Elle se déguise. On se déguise. Nous nous déguisons. Vous vous déguisez. Il se déguise. Elle se déguise. So this is translated as I dress up, you dress up, he dresses up, she dresses up, one dresses up, we dress up, you dress up, they dress up, masculine or mixed groups, and they dress up, feminine groups. You can also say it like this: I'm dressing up, you're dressing up, they're dressing up, to describe a present continuous action. Before we move on, let's highlight what's really important in this conjugation. Se déguiser is a reflexive verb. Se déguiser est un verbe pronominal. Un verbe pronominal. That means it always comes with a reflexive pronoun. Me, te, se, nous, vous, ce. These little words show that the action is done to oneself, so the subject is doing the action to himself. So when you say je me déguise, you are literally saying I dress myself up. Tu te déguises, you are dressing yourself up, or you dress yourself up. Now, grammar time. Se déguiser is a regular ER verb. It's a part of the first group verb. In French, we say se déguiser est un verbe du premier groupe. That means we remove the final ER and add the usual endings E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, and ENT. Now let's look back at the conjugation. Focus on the two things we mentioned, reflexive pronouns and the endings. Je me déguise, tu te déguises, il se déguise, elle se déguise, on se déguise, nous nous déguisons, vous vous déguisez, il se déguise, elle se déguise. So once you can spot both, you're doing great. Now, how to use it in real life? If you want to say that you dress up as something, here is the formula. So you use the verb se déguiser plus the preposition en plus the noun. For example, I dress up as a witch. Je me déguise en sorcière. So sorcière in French means witch. Une sorcière. It's a feminine noun. Je me déguise en sorcière. I dress up as a vampire. Je me déguise en vampire. Je me déguise en vampire. I dress up as a ghost. Je me déguise en fantôme. Je me déguise en fantôme. And that's it, my friends. You know, Now, how to conjugate and use the verb se déguiser in present tense. I hope this lesson helped you. If you enjoyed it, tell me in the comments, what are you dressing up as this year? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep learning. À la prochaine!